ChatGPT just dropped its massive Image 2.0 update, and if you are still prompting it the old way, you are working way too hard. We are talking about features that finally make it a real competitor to tools like Midjourney, but with the simplicity of a normal conversation. Today, I'll show you 6 massive updates, including how to generate up to 8 consistent images in one go, and why AI text inside images is finally usable. If you want to master AI art for your brand or social media, this is the only guide you need. To stay updated and not miss anything, make sure to subscribe. Let's get into it. Feature number 1 is the one we have all been waiting for: reliable text rendering. Earlier versions of DALL-E were notorious for AI gibberish. You'd ask for a sign that says open, and you'd get something that looked like random alien symbols. With the 2.0 engine, the AI finally understands spelling and typography. It can now accurately render specific codes, brand names, and labels. To ensure perfect results, always put the text you want in double quotation marks. For example, a cinematic shot of a neon sign that says Tweak Library in bright blue. It's now accurate enough to use for logos, YouTube thumbnails, and professional presentations. Feature number 2 is the biggest productivity boost: batch generation. Previously, ChatGPT was a bit stingy, giving you only 1 or 2 images at a time. Not anymore. You can now generate up to 8 images in a single request. But it's not just about quantity, it's about consistency. When you ask for 8 images in one prompt, ChatGPT uses the same underlying DNA for all of them. This means the style, the lighting, and even the character features remain incredibly stable. You'll get a complete set of matching assets for your project instantly. Ever had an AI image that was 90% perfect, but the person had 6 fingers or the background was slightly off? Instead of deleting it and starting over, use the new In-Painting tool. When you click on a generated image, look for the Select Brush icon at the top. Just highlight the specific area you want to change, like a shirt color or a stray object, and type a simple instruction like change the red shirt to a black hoodie. This gives you surgical control over your art, saving you time and credits while ensuring you get the exact result you envision. Gone are the days of being stuck with square images. ChatGPT Image 2.0 now handles different formats natively without seeding complex seed hacks. You can now simply tell ChatGPT the format you need. Ask for widescreen for your YouTube thumbnails or vertical for your Instagram Reels and TikTok backgrounds. The AI doesn't just crop the image, it actually recomposes the entire scene to fit the frame, making the composition look professional every time. Feature 5 is for the power users: the Gen ID system. One of the hardest things in AI is making character A appear in setting B without them looking like a different person. Every image now has a unique Gen ID or seed. You can ask ChatGPT what is the Gen ID for that last image. Once you have it, you can prompt using Gen ID, show the same character but sitting in a library. This allows you to create storyboards, comic strips, or consistent brand mascots with ease. ChatGPT Image 2.0 has officially bridged the gap between fun toy and professional tool. Whether it's the 8 image batching or the fixed text, which of these updates is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear how you're using these for your own projects. If this deep dive helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more AI breakthroughs and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.